Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Wherein the last video you saw, I have done the unboxing of this ratchet set. So it's time to quick unbox the Taparia Allen key set. So this costed 212 rupees MRP, but I got it for 199. I bought this from Amazon and I got it under like a decent discount, maybe 10% off I think. So I'm gonna make a quick unboxing of this and I'm gonna show you how it is. And I've used few of the Allen keys, so it's good quality. So before that, I really like to thank you guys, where you guys have helped me in reaching 37,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I do expect the same support for my other videos also. Please help me in uploading more and more videos by like motivating me, wherein you can subscribe if you're watching for the first time. If you're already subscribed to my channel, do give me a comment in the comment section and let me know how better I can make a video and improve it. So please do subscribe my both the channels, Abhilash V R and Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. Royal Legend Motorcycle Club is only based on travel and bike related. So Abhilash V R is a combination of everything. So informative, like do it yourself, like traveling, everything. Thank you so much. So let's come into the point. So I'm just gonna show you how actually this is. So this is Taparia Allen key set 1 inch. So let me just open this. So this is how this is placed. So it has 3 bar 16, 7 bar 32, 1 bar 4 and everything. This one you can use it for Royal Enfield fork, like to replace and everything. And this is for your handlebar. This both you can use it, and this you can use to tighten your self motor cap. There's a cap which every time it gets looses. So I just wanted to buy one for that, but wherein one costed 50 rupees. So I thought to buy a complete set which comes in 200 rupees and where it's neatly packed, where I can use it whenever I'm traveling also. That is where I bought this. So it's a simple quick unboxing, and the quality is good because any tools, Taparia is the best one. From my college days, I used to prefer only Taparia products. So I wanted to buy a ratchet set also from Taparia, but it was too expensive. I didn't have that much money this month, so I just bought this local one. I mean to say the decent quality one, and I bought the Taparia this one. And because I don't want to compromise with this Allen key set, because it's a very good company. And as I told you, I got it for 190 rupees something, so I got some 10% off. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and please do support. I need your continuous support in uploading more and more videos and help me in growing in YouTube. Thank you so much for your love and support. Catch you in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.